In this quick video guide, we're gonna use the snipping tool in Windows to extract and capture part of a text of an image. So we're gonna convert image pixels into text using this really smart tool, and we can then copy and paste it anywhere. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna close this and I'm gonna go in a browser to search for any page will be fine. So I'm just gonna search for here in Wikipedia and search for copy and paste text from image. Okay, so we can see here just a simple page. So what I'm gonna do here, now this is text, so you can copy and paste all this stuff just by selecting and copy. But what I want to show you is that what if this was not a page on the web, but was like an image. So if I create an image out of this, let's say that I go to the captures and then do a new capture here using the snipping tool, and I click and drag and underline this area. Okay, so this is a tool that usually it's used to save an image, but you can also just extract the text from here. So if I go here, I click on this little button here, I can choose the text area. You can see that it's going to show me the text area here. And sometimes I can also quick redact, so I can modify it. Otherwise, I can just copy. You can see this is an underlined text, and I can also underline like this. Now I'm going to do another experiment. I'm going to search for images that contains text, which are not like plain text like we saw in Wikipedia website or any other site. So I'm just going to get this one here. So I'm going to open here. This is from Pexels. So it's a free download, so I can download it, and or I can just again use the snipping tool. So if you don't find the snipping tool, by the way, just search for here in Windows for snip, and there you go. So you can open it from here using the searching window. Once you open it, let's click on new again. I'm just gonna get the part that I want. So this is gonna be only this part. So I'm already doing like a selection, a crop. And then again, let's click on the text option. So I can copy all text, and then I'm gonna go to, let me just make, I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller, and let's open up a document or a Word file, word processor, whatever. So I'm gonna create a new text, simple text document, and just double click to open it. I'm gonna place this aside. And now let's test. So I'm going to right click and paste, or I can do also Control C, Control V to copy and paste. So let's paste. And you can see it just extracted all the text that it saw in here. So one interesting thing is, let's find this word here. You can see this one is in vertical, the delicious, and there it is. So it also recognizes like text that are not placed in a correct direction or orientation. So it just detects everything, captures everything, extracts all the text, and just you can paste it anywhere you want. So I think it's a great tool that can be useful in many occasions. So this will be all for this quick video guide. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to the channel, and if you want to support us, thank us, join the channel as a supporter. And check out other video guides and video courses that you find in the channel about creating documents or graphic design or 3D and so on. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video guide.